Alright, so we've got a 2005 Polaris Edge chassis. This happens to be a Switchback 800, and I'm changing out the sliders or Hyfax. And what you're looking at now is a jacked up rear end using a hydraulic ram, if you will. And this track's in good shape. It's just that the old original sliders are all dried and cracking, and they're not sliding per se, and it's only 70 bucks for a new pair of nice ones. And so I've got new ones, and the issue at hand is trying to get it out of there. If you look up in the front, you take a screw out. It's a T20 or 25 single screw about 2 inches from the front of the white slider, and you're trying to take that out and then move that whole slider back. You got to relieve the pressure off the track. You can see here by how much I got hanging down that I have relieved the pressure indeed off the track. So now the question is, how do you get that track to come back? And you could try to stick a screwdriver in there. There's nothing really to pry against. So given that as an issue, I came up with the idea, and it worked great on the first one, of using a bow strap for a PWC or a jet ski or wave runner to go around the front of that slider, equidistant left to right, and then use a ratchet strap to the back axle to grab a hold of either side of that blue 1 foot strap and just pull on it, and it'll just pull that right out. I'll show you in just a second. All right, so looking down here again, I've got a ratchet strap around the back axle. Here's the ratchet as it goes above the rail on the outside of the suspension, and you can see it goes up here, and I've got this 10-inch or foot long soft shackle slash strap around the front of the slider, and obviously it can't go anywhere up because it's going to hit the aluminum rail. And so if I just ratchet this thing back, I'll just do it a little bit at a time. Something's got to give. And look at there. It just starts to back down like that.